right, so we're logging into the client portal. This is in testing right now, will be released to production soon. So we want to show you today how a customer will actually purchase leads, and then how our system will provide estimates. And we're doing the MFA multi-factor authentication now, extra layer of security with industry best practices, current industry best practices. So Mike is logging in, and this is going to take you to the customer dashboard. Here, when your customers log in, they can see how many leads they got by day, leads versus appointments. They can view their recent leads, and then it's got some basic lead management functionality. But what we're going to focus on today is the order section, where you can create orders from your main LeadExec account that are available to your customers. They can select from any of your available order packs, I guess is the best way to describe it, where they can see different criteria sets for like semi-exclusive versus exclusive leads. So Mike's going to walk you through that right now.
Okay. So what we can do here on our order list is we can create a new order. And then what it's going to do is it's going to ask them which order form to use. And the order forms are created by the LeadExec users to specify what criteria they want to offer, as well as what options they want to give their lead buyers. So here I've got an example order form. This is for a semi-exclusive mortgage, California mortgage lead at $2.50 per lead. It will be delivered via a lead portal. Depending on the delivery type, it might be email, it might be a post. It depends on how that's set up.
Right, but if they want to purchase their orders, actually create an order and see estimated volume, they need to do that through the branded client portal, which we provide.
Yes. All right. So then what it does is it gives them the basics of the order that they've selected, and it gives them an estimated available volume based on the LeadExec account.
Oh, cool.
What's been received.
Right. So it's saying estimated available leads with the criteria of California. Because this is pretty open criteria right now, it's saying that there's 1,875 leads average, per month that are available for if they place this order right now.
Yes. So what I can do is I can hit create an order or continue with it. And then what it'll do is ask me for my order quantity, and it'll tell me what the lead price is. And then down here, it gives me my available options. So with just California selected, with no available options selected, there's up to 1,875. But what I can do is I can turn on estimated value greater than $200,000, and you'll see that it dropped down to one lead. So within the last month or 30 days or so, they have not this account has not received very many leads over $200,000 in California, causing it to give that estimate at the bottom. If we turn that off, and we do things like current zip is within a certain mileage of a postal code, we can turn that on, and then we could put in like 90210, for example. It will then say one lead per month, but then I can change this to, let's go to 150 miles around that, and it'll say to 23 leads per month, because it gives it'll scan that and it'll find leads within that range and see what's available.
That's great. So then when a customer, now I'm assuming that the client, our client who's actually paying for LeadExec, they're going to have the ability to create different types of available options here for the customer. Then they can pick, well, I want to do a exclusive California order versus a semi-exclusive California order. And then they get these available options, which are pretty much, available to our customers to create.
Yes, they can customize these options. They can also make them required. So you can also do an upsell. So for refinance in California, you might want to charge extra because a refinance lead is worth more. So if you were to turn on that, you'll see that the lead price went up to $4 and the order total went to $600, because you are now dictating that it has to be refinanced. But then it tells you down here that there are no leads that have been available for refinance. You would want to make sure that the options that you selected for your order form are options that you can supply, but it will definitely give them that option to upsell.
That's amazing.
For certain criteria.
That's great. So then when I create the order, I'm assuming that there is a way for me to pay via credit card, or how does that work?
Yes. So you can specify that orders have to be approved. At which point you can.
Oh, wow. So you can gate them. So you can say that if the customer submits the order, then our client then has to approve if they accept the order or not.
Yes, because that way, if they've selected a bunch of criteria and they didn't pay attention to this at the bottom, you can contact them and say, hey, your criteria is a little bit too constrictive. Let's modify that a little bit. But there you can make it so approval, but then you can also make it so that there's no approval process, that it automatically charges for the order and automatically starts delivering leads. You can also make it so that it will start the order, not charge them right away, but at the end of the order, it will invoice them for the leads that have been delivered. So there's a way to do that as well. So you can do ahead charging, or charging at the end, or you can do it where you approve the order and charge at that point. The
Awesome.
system
That's great news.
also allows for discounts. So you can specify, if they order over a certain amount, we apply a discount, and that's all customizable, the amount of discount as well as the amount of leads that have to be hit. So for here, if I were to put in 550 leads, my lead price drops down to $2.25, giving that 10% discount because it went over 500.
Great. Wow. All right. Well, I really appreciate you showing us this today, Mike. I think a lot of our customers are going to love this. Is there anything else to add?
No, I don't have anything.
All right. Great. Good deal. Thank you.